Tinawag mo lahat?
Ayun nga po eh, medyo na-misunderstand ko kasi yung sinabi niya. So, lahat pala yung sinagawa. So, anyway,
Try niya po
nasolve
yun
ko
na.
lahat dito
Ay,
sa...
yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Ang una naman is determination na separable o hindi.
Ayun mo.
Okay, so yung una, how will you say right away na hindi siya separable?
Parang may function with X and Y, parang imposible yata po yan.
Kahit gagamitan mo ng ano, ng tawag ito, ng identity niya, that sin cos y, cos sign.
Yes, opo.
Okay, titingnan natin. Yes, so hindi mo nga siya maseseparate. So embedded na yung product ng expressions with x, expression of y. Okay, number two, is it separate? By the way, mga answers nito, I think mga odd numbers na sa likod eh. Pwede mo naman siyang tignan right after solving it. Pero mga even, parang wala pang solution. So far for that, yes, tama. You can separate the x's and the y's. That's correct. Number three, is it separable? The answer is, separable ba siya?
Number three, 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 three. Wala. Quadratic lang. Quadratic lang naman siya tapos yung may ln x. Yes, tama separable po. Okay.
Because you are to take the product naman ng t squared.
Yes,
Tama.
opo.
Okay, tama naman. Okay, you can separate. Number four, it's a polynomial.
Opo, obvious naman.
Puro ng y. Okay lang naman. Lahat ng mga y pwede mo nang ilalagay sa kabila. That's correct. Number five, can you separate the x and the y's?
Separate na muna po sa dy tapos rearrange lang.
That's
Separable.
right. Okay, y raised to the third can be factored out from the binomial. Okay. Number six, can you separate that? Sabi mo, inseparable. So, hindi natin siya masaseparate. Kasi, let me see. Because of the t. Ang t mo, kung ang s squared, ilalagay mo sa kabila. So, ang isa walang expression of a t when you factor out t, magkakaroon ng t sa kabilang expression. So, tama naman. Okay. Although wala namang formal test to do separation, all you have to do is trial and error, then you compute. But at this time, from this problem, from 1 to 6, can you tell me which one of these are linear and non-linear?
Linear, ano kasing linear,
Number 1, linear ba siya or not linear?
not linear po.
Not linear, that's correct. Number 2, linear or not linear?
Dx is equal to x ln y ba?
Mm-mm.
X function of something tapos linear yata po.
Ang number 2 ba o number 3 yung ano mo?
Y,
Number 2
Y,
tayo.
F, ano ba yung, ano ba kasi yung,
Naalala mo bang linear, yung parang form ng linear? Yung first expression mo dy over dx, function of x, yung first term. Second term, may y ka lang dyan, then another function of some x. And it's equal to some function of x. That's the linearity. So, kung titingnan mong number 2, can you arrange it in such a way na it's yung first term, that's okay, yung first term, dy over dx lang. Minus, kung itatranspose mong ang right hand side to the left, yung xy squared e raised to x minus y,
then that would
may
be,
y squared ka.
so masi-separate naman yung ito, this is function of x, tapos
Mm-hmm.
may ito, whatever this is, tapos or y squared times that, tapos times this one,
Mm-hmm. But remember yung separable na I mean linear na form, dapat ang highest power ng y mo lang, maliban sa derivative it's just first power lang ang
parang,
y.
parang y fx lang, so hindi yata siya linear.
That's right. So hindi yan linear number 2. Okay, number 3, ito medyo change of variable ka instead of xy magiging t and s.
Ito linear mo.
Linear siya. Sige, tingnan natin. So the first term is okay. Second term, with respect to
Function of
S dapat. So,
At
ang function mo with respect to t.
function with, so parang y siya function with respect to y, hindi yata, no?
Oo, ang y mo diyan magiging
Stuck.
s.
Mm. So pag S naman,
So, what do you think?
pwede. Kung ano pa, kung S is, so ln of quantity S to the 2t,
Mm-mm.
then it
So,
will,
ang t mo dito is yung x mo ha, yung independent variable.
tama. So yung the whole thing, yung ln of to the 2t, if that's y, then it must be linear.
Oh, pero, ang question ko lang, ln of s siya. Hindi siya s lang alone.
Yun nga ba?
I don't know, can you write? Makakasulat ka ba dyan?
Yes, ba?
So, can you write yung, assume lang natin x, s and t to ha. So, you are expecting, dapat ang tsura niya, some function with respect to t. So, say, tawagin natin a sub c, say, f of t, ds over dt, tapos, plus, some say, g of t ulit. So, that times s. And this is equal to some, say, h of t. So, yun ang dapat itsura ng pagiging linear. So, ang question, can you form number 3 in that way?
V f of t over hindi matanggal po yung ln ng s eh. So,
O nga, tama. Fix kasi yung ano eh. Fix kasi yung S as your dependent variable. Hindi mo matatanggalan ng ln. So, kaya, yun. So, kaya, it's not linear, ang number 3. Okay. So, how about number 4? Ito, ang 4 mo, dapat obvious to.
over dx. Over
Yeah,
dx.
number 4. Number 5
Ay, number
yan.
4 pala. Dx. Hindi. Kasi ano pa yung y sa the third power. So,
That's correct.
obviously not linear. So,
Okay,
uh,
number 5 tayo.
dx. Dx pupunta dito. So, di ba separate ito?
What do you think? Linear ba siya, number 5?
Pag over dx to tapusan, matatanggal.
Mm-hmm.
Check may function of y times
Mm-hmm.
so okay.
So, function of y siya times dy over dx. But ang function of y, function mo dyan, raise to the third pa nga eh.
Kasi kahit if yung x yung y, wala. So, posible yata kasi may kahit may partial fractions to.
Mm-mm.
Hindi yata.
Hindi pa rin. Tama, hindi pa rin siya.
Hindi talaga maalis ng square. So, ano talaga ba?
Okay, that's correct. Hindi siya linear. Ang number 5 mo. Number 6, lastly.
Not because ano yata, lahat yata ba man linear, separable yata lahat ng linear yata eh. So, hindi ba? Ay, hindi yata. Hindi pala all, not all. So,
Mm-hmm.
huh, okay, sure. So, let's
Sure.
times, ano kaya? Times t. May time.
Identify mo na ano ang independent, anong dependent variable. Kasi
Mm,
iyon ang papalitan mo ng x and y respectively.
S. Squared, so t s t. Sino ba? S yung ano. So, S yung ano, yung X. Uh-huh.
Aha, sure ka?
Bilawa.
Ano ba yung form niyan? dy over dx. So ito naman, ds over dt.
Dapat pala ito yung ano, ito yung y.
Yes, yeah, tama.
Y plus 1 over yx. So kung lilipat ko yung y, so yung s, oh, wait. Y,
Ito, ilagay, can you write on the right hand side?
y,
Pwede mo sulat to.
diba?
Ah, balikan natin, f function of t,
May y squared pa, no? So,
dy over, d, hindi pa, ds over dt plus g of t
nakatrackpad kasi ako. So, g of the,
s
ganito ba ito, ano?
equals, say, h of t. Yan. Dapat yun ang form for it to be linear. So, question, can you write it that way?
From f of ds dt, tapos paano magkaka-f of t, siguro yung t dito. So, okay.
Pero
Tapos,
function of t lang siya, ha? Hindi siya function of s.
na ba? So, pwedeng ilipat lang yung t lang dito. So,
Okay?
t, so dan, tapos gt of s squared na. So, kung a over s kaya, hindi pwede kasi
Mm.
magkakasakit. Nagka-electric shock. Ano
So,
pala, over
therefore,
s. Lakas lang.
ano
Meron
yun?
ano po kasi ako nag-ano nag-iipon ako ng static charge po.
Okay.
Lagi,
Sakit.
kunyari hawak lang ako ng
Ah,
pinto po, kailangan i-dissipate ko muna bago ko
Okay.
buksan.
So, mararamdaman. Actually, sometimes parang bibigla kang ganun eh, na
Po, kaya
pumipitik.
sa may nadikit po sa akin, na kuryente siya.
Or something may nirarab ka po dyan.
Wala, ano po talagang
baka yung ano
nag-iipon
lang,
ako po
baka yung ano kasi pa dry skin lang.
Baka dry po yung
Yes.
hindi nagpa-flow na po.
Oo, tama. May mga times nga talaga, may makukuryente ka. Interesting nga. So,
Posible na po.
anong answer, Joshua?
Posible. Not possible.
Not
Kahit
possible.
lipat ko lahat, so hindi pa rin magkaka-function, some function of D.
Mhm. That's correct. Okay. So let's proceed to the solution. Tingnan natin ang problems kung saan yung naging solution mo. Tingnan natin. All right. So number, ano tayo? 7? Sige. You are to compute for that. So tingnan natin. Can you quickly explain paano mo siya na-compute?
Rearrange lang po muna, tapusan yung, para mag-separate, tapusan mag-integral na.
That's right. Okay.
Happen here. Baka may na-erase po na.
Oh yeah. Tindihan ko naman. Lumipad lang yung 1.
Lumipad lang ba yung one? Anyway, so may nangyari po dyan, baka sa paglipat. Anyway, so y to the 4. 4.
That's
Okay,
correct.
so tama naman. So, tapos
Tama
na,
naman.
okay na the fourth pa. So,
Although medyo careful ka lang dyan kasi yung C mo can be a different value after multiplying 4. So pwedeng another value yan siya, not necessarily the same C.
mama. So, yun nga pala. So dapat pangalan ko na lang siyang,
Like C sub 1, C sub 2, or any letter.
second C, yung ganyan. Dalawa
Alright.
pong C, tapos pag tatlo na, ganun.
Okay. Next. Number 8. Anong problem number 8 mo? You are to solve dy over this secant squared. Okay lang yan. So, ang secant squared mo, y. So, cosine. Integral of cosine mo ba? Ano bang integral ng cosine squared?
So, y over 2, x over 2 plus sine 2 x over 4. So, na-memorize ko yun. I don't know actually why it's like that. Siguro, half angle formula. I don't know. So, para maabot sa ganun na. Ay, double angle formula pala ng cos.
Double angle ba siya? Yeah, pwede. Pwede siya, double angle. Kasi magiging, pero ano ba yung cosine squared of, pwede din 1, pero sine squared naman yung, 1 minus sine squared yan eh. Kung half angle, can you
Wait.
write the formula? At pwede ko tignan muna yung yung problem.
Ay,
Wait, ano?
dapat kasi may formatting to. Wait lang ba?
Number, ano ngayon? Okay, okay. Nakita ko na. Oh, yes. Okay. I didn't see it na.
mm,
Cosine squared. Secant squared. So, cosine squared niya. Identity.
mukhang parang 1 minus 2 sine, ano ba? 2 sine squared.
Kasi as much as possible, what we want, ano to? What we want is, hindi, ang identity niya, hindi, ano to? Walang squaring. Kasi ang hirap mag-integral eh.
Mhm. So, ano ba yung second?
Yun. Yeah, I know now. Supposed to be that's 1 plus cosine 2x over 2. Tama?
Tama.
Ang cosine squared of y is equal to 1 plus cosine 2y over 2.
Ayun, tapusan, sa sign na lang yan. Tapusan, may yung chain rule, so may 1/2.
Yeah, okay. So ang sa y naman, ka-cancel out ang 4 with 2. So okay lang naman. Okay, that's correct. Pwede, pwede.
This is yung trigonometric something, yung tawag dito, I forgot.
Oo.
Para sa arctan. So, arctan
Let
is,
me see. Integral of 2, may 2 ka na. Hindi ba magka-cancel? Ayan, kasi may 4. Yeah, okay. That's over 4. Ayun, famous kasi yung 1 plus x squared integral niya yan. Ang inverse niyan. It's tangent. Negative tangent. Okay, that's correct. Okay, next.
9. I think medyo simple to. So,
Number 9. Sana tayo 9. Okay.
this one's move here. Tapos, the 3p is useless. So,
Yes.
p sa T side. Tapos, A1, sino ba na A1? Yung 90. So, 90.
Pero ilang beses ka mag-integration by parts dyan?
Hindi na po kailangan nata. So, yes, tama.
Yeah,
Kailangan.
you too.
Pero,
Unless memorize mo. Yun lang naman ang alam ko, memorize mo na
tama.
yan eh.
Naging automatic. So, part of integration by parts. So, parang memorize ko na yung what's x to
That's
the.
correct. Okay.
Tapos,
Pero
ito,
ito, may ano ka pa, may chain rule na gagawin kasi may negative 3 ka dyan eh.
90. So, ano ba? 9.
Tama ba siya? Can you compute yan, no? Using integration by parts, ang integral of 90e raised to negative 3. Kasi confirm ko naman yung left-hand side, correct yan. Ang
Kung,
right-hand side lang yung medyo,
kung i-differentiate na ba, so 9, may makaka-cancel naman sa magiging 9. 9, tapos, mapapareho lang tong, so, tama to. But what about this? Wait.
yes, kasi kulang ka ng negative 3. So you have to take 3 from 9. Tapos, kailangan mo ng negative, magna-negative ka. Yeah, tama, tama. Okay, okay. That's correct. Okay. Tama, tama. Okay, number 10.
Yung ano pa yung mga painful naman yung please isolate XML ganun. Okay.
Ayan, ano yung nahirapan mo dyan? Can you, yung somehow nag-isip ka pa, paano mo siya i-compute?
Then, sino ba? So,
By the way, hindi mo siya in-evaluate. Napansin mo, number 10 pa naman, no? Number
Opo,
10 pa, number 10 pa naman. Okay.
X
Can
plus,
you show, did you compute for number 20, mga beginning 21 ba yun? Yung may
yeah.
initial condition?
Yes, opo, yun, lahat. So,
I'll
lahat,
say, ayan, yan. Number 17, I think, nag-umpisa ka sa 17?
17 ba yan? Ito, X plus X cube, X plus X. Okay, so, linipat siya dyan.
Alright, okay.
Ba't ko kasi ginawa yan? I forgot it. Ayun, para ma-partial fractions. 1 over X. Yes, tama.
Mm-hmm.
Ayan, so, na-partial fraction siya.
Alright, okay.
Equals nothing kasi dt lang naman sa kabila. So,
Okay, that's correct. Okay, tama naman, partial fraction. Can I go back? Can you go back there sa tingnan ko lang muna. Okay, tama yung una, ln of absolute value of x. Pero yung isa, you let x squared to be u. So meron ka ng x, so 2u, kailangan mo ng 2, so you have 1 half. So you have 1 over u. Tama? Okay, tama. That's correct. That's correct. Okay na. Okay na siya, tama.
Okay. Sino ba yung ano? 11. Ano sa taas pala? Aha.
Sige, tingnan natin.
Okay. Yan, baka lang siya laki. 11. Okay, so, V dito, tapos ang X. Ah, yes, tama. So, 1 over X, tapos yung V, binababa rin, tinaas X.
Alright.
So,
Okay lang. Madali siya.
madali lang. 12 is dy dx. Y dito, tapos X,
Ah, tama. Okay, let me see. Number 12, 12 yun, no? So,
tapos
kailangan mo ng x squared, tapos may square root of 1 plus x. So, paano mo siya kinompute?
as if, ano po na, as if, ano kasi, as if this is 1 plus X, to the negative 1 half. So,
Mhm.
negative, wait lang. Ba't ganun? Negative. Wait, tama. May kulang lang na negative.
Pero paano mo siya kinompute ang x over square root of 1 plus x?
Sabo.
Ayan, yun. Di ba nag-integrate ka ng x over square root of 1 plus x? Can you show somehow some details dyan? Alright, okay.
Mhm. So, okay. Uh-huh. This is, so, the derivative ba na to is u dv. V is the integral. So, 1 plus x negative 3 halves. Tapos yung 2/3. 3 halves, 2/3 minus. So, may 1 half na lang. Hindi. 1 half yata.
Mhm.
Nga, 1 half lang yata dapat. Kasi negative pala. I forgot. Wait. Okay. So, that's just mm, mm,
So, paano mo siya na ano? Paano mo siya ginawa?
tama.
Let u be, okay, u du minus v u dv.
nakalimutan yata yung ano, yung negative sign. So, kaya siguro hindi halves. So, ano ba to?
Okay lang yan. Madali lang yan i-compute. That's 1 over, that's ano, i-let you mo na lang buo niyan. Pero kasi square root eh. Mahirap din ang square root kasi i-compute eh. I-let mo na lang siya, ang 1 plus x.
I think tama na to. Tama yata. So, ano kasi kung ano? 2 square root of u. 2, ano yata talaga po na? So, 4 thirds u, 2 thirds. Ay, 2 thirds, 3 halves. So, ganun talaga. So, this is 2.
Can you, medyo ano lang Joshua, can we go back muna sa pag-let mo? Kasi parang malaki kasi na-skip mo eh. Gusto ko lang makita. So, you let x be u. Sulat mo muna siya. So, you let x
Sige.
modules to be u. So, can you somehow write it separately? Tingnan lang natin. Sulat mo lang si x ulit. Ayan, okay. So, sabi mo, let u be equal to x. So, can you write it down? Tapos, that's your du, dv. So, sulat natin. So, therefore, when u is equal to x, so du is equal to dx. Tama?
Tama.
And then, how about your, v? From dv equals ganon, paano yung, paano yung v equal to?
V is yung derivative, yung integral. So, 1 plus x. 1 half, so plus 1 na. So, 1 half. 2. So, pag ganun.
Alright, that's correct. Okay, tama. Okay, para at least hindi siya ganun kalaki yung difference niya. So VD, okay, that's correct. Okay.
VU, ito yung U minus VU. Yan.
Alright. So that one, ayun, pwede mo na rin siya ma-compute yung isa. So that's what? 3 halves. Tapos babaliktad, so 4 thirds. Ayan. So kaya nag-wonder ako paano lumabas yung 2 thirds sa kabila at yung negative 2 lang siya. Ayan. So at least i-correct mo lang dyan.
Nakakalimutan yata yung ano. Pinawa.
Ayan. Okay. At least almost close naman yung naging solution. However, parang may ano lang, i-correct mo lang yan. Okay. So that's 11. How about tingnan natin yung 12?
Pasok ko lang siya. Negative 4. 6. 6x. 1 plus x. Okay.
Ay, ganda. Pwede pala maganon sa dyan. Mapaliit.
O para pwede na po parang i-capsule siya sa buksan nyo na po later. So, 13.
So 13 tayo. That's d over dx, 3x squared. Okay, 1 plus y squared. Okay. So,
Mabala.
separate mong 1 over y squared. That's correct. So, you let substitution.
Dapat rin yung substitution. Tapos, so, bale, cube lang to. So, 1 over second. 1 over second tayo, tapos dash cosine.
That's correct. Okay, tama naman.
Sine
Okay.
equals, ayan po. So, yan lang. Pag yung, kailangan po ano na. So, yung triangle kasi. So, opposite. Ano ba yung opposite? OH. So, dito siya. May, wait, ano ba yung 1 over, ano na? 1 over 1 plus y squared. So, wait. Tapos, so, wait. Kaya, hmm, tama. So, ano na? So, y1. Y1.
Yan, okay.
True. So, bale yung tangent makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, yun yung una niya. Tapos, so yung sine is y over ito.
Okay.
Ayun, so sine,
Correct.
that's true. So, fact check.
Quickly lang, Joshua, can we have quickly, may kakausapin lang ko.
Sige ba? Sige ba?
Maybe can you pause the video muna?
Sige ba?
Alright, okay.
Okay, so for 13, wait, blue. We substitute, take the integral, and then let y tan theta, that's trigonometric substitution. Okay, simplifying that here, second squared. So it's also second squared, but there's no 3 halves, so that's 3. 2 over 3, so there's 1 over second, that's cosine squared, cosine, the integral sign. And then for here, it's x cubed plus c. Tada, there we go. Y over this one square, x cubed plus 3. 14. Separate dt, separate integral. Ln x is 1, d cubed plus c. Therefore, x AAT cubed with 15. And distribute the x. Put it here. Integral. Okay, now we can do this ex separation. Natural logarithm over 2 plus c. Therefore, this can be undistributed. Ex. Then, put here. Y is on the other side. Therefore, this is solution. Yes. 16. Happened here. Remove the y over y cubed. Put it here. Integral can be expressed as this if we let u sine x 1 over negative 1 over y can be made the numerator, so y is equal to 1 over e negative sine x minus c. 17 here, we arrange integral and negative 1, then this was negative, and then cos, substitute. Okay, this is given, this is also given, this is 0, so c pi over 3. Since that is the case, resubstitute pi over 3, there's pi, so tan is plus pi over 3. 18 is a very straightforward, y cubed negative x cubed. Substitute, c is negative 1, so we can just resubstitute that, that's the answer. 19, transpose integral. Here, use formula, wait, one formula. There, delta. 2 sine x, substitute 0, substitute sine pi, nothing, so that's c. C is 2, substitutes 2, okay, good. There, this is y minus 1, that's the solution. Can be simplified, but I choose not to. 21. Transpose, take integral here. This becomes ln, this one's theta. Beta plus sine, good. So therefore now we can find C negative 1/2 over 1/2 minus pi. So y half over 2. Okay. Yes, identity here. Sine pi is 0. Can be eliminated. Then add C. Good. That's the answer. Okay. Linearity, problems 1 to 6. Okay. Linear, neither both. Or separable. This one, definitely not separable. Obvious. It's pretty obvious here. How can you separate this? Literally impossible. And then here, put it into the linear form, which is expressed here. Is it linear? Yes. It follows the linear form, therefore this one's linear, not separable. Here, expressed into linear form, can be expressed, so therefore it's linear. Okay, good. But it's not separable because this one not separable. You cannot separate this. 3, obviously separable, just take the t out and then put it on the other side. Okay, it's going to be expressed in linear form. Yes, this is y, so therefore it's linear. 0 is also polynomial, so it's also linear. Separable linear. 4, check, it's already in linear form, thankfully. But it's definitely not separable because of the x. This is a little trickier, but it's also not separable. Not very obvious, wait. Okay, now it's more obvious, it's not separable at all. Can be expressed in linear form, sort of, but there is no x. So therefore, it's not linear. Not linear, not separable. 6. Separable, pretty obvious here. It's just 2 functions, therefore can be put on the other side. That's definitely separable. Here is the separated form, and it also follows linear form because it's already expressed that way. So it's therefore separable and linear. 7. Separate integral into the integral e negative xy e2x dx e2xy e to 3x plus c cx. General solution found. Okay, so that's it. Then for the last question, 20. Using the partial fractions, we can decompose it as such. Remove the x and x2 because you can just multiply it by x. And x plus 1 is just 1. X squared is also just 1. So just find the proper combination. You'll get this 3 minus 2 plus 1. Therefore, this is the partial fraction decomposition. And then here's the integral. Just integrated ln x. This is quite hard, but just substitute the y. So y is this. Yes, it's 1. So 1 half plus 1. That's 3 halves. And then the 2 is the x. So therefore, it's just ln 2. This one is gone, so that's 2 plus ln 2 plus c. C is the negative of one quantity, 1 half plus ln 2. Resubstitute and then express as such. There we go. Put the y in the left hand side, and there's the answer.